Consuelo, everybody. Okay, we're going to go back and pick up sections 6.1 and 6.2. Why did I leave them till now? Because really these should be more an introduction to chapter 7. They don't really belong in chapter 6, but I can't control the way Alex divides up the sections, so I can just control the order in which I do them. Okay, so first thing, we're going to look at 5 function operations. Now, in this video, we're only going to have 4. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Well, what's the 5th one? It's an operation you've never dealt with before, so I'm going to put that on a different video. This one should be pretty straightforward. We're going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So, given f of x equals 4x and g of x equals 3x squared, what would you get if you get f plus g of x? Well, you take the f1 and you add it to the g1, and f was 4x and g was 3x squared. F minus g would be 4x minus 3x squared. F times g, and notice that's a dot, and that's very careful. It's very important. It's not this. Okay, that would mean something totally different. It seems like a small thing, but it's not this. It's just a dot. It's not like an open circle. That open circle will be what we get to when we start talking about composition. Okay, so you take f, which is 4x, and g, which is 3x squared, and you multiply them. And if you take f divided by g, you do exactly what it says. Okay, so again, using these same functions, let's say we take the f of g, the g of g plus f of 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the g of 2 and add the f of 2. So using these same functions that we had up here, okay, what's the g of 2? It's 3 times 2 squared. What's the f of 2? It's 4 times 2, and then you just simplify it. If we take g minus f of 2, okay, you just take the g of 2 and subtract the f of 2. If we take g of 2 times f of 2, you take the g of 2 and you multiply it by the f of 2. And if you take the g divided by f, all that of 2, you take the g of 2 and divide by f of 2. So hopefully that's pretty simple. Again, the thing I want to mention is you got to be very careful of notation. If it's a dot, that's multiplication. This open circle thing, I'll talk about that next time. That's composition. Okay, so we'll talk about that next time. That's it. Pretty simple. Bye-bye.